and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. My name is Stuart, and you might have noticed since the last video that actually there's half of me this time. Yeah, the coronavirus thing came round and we all went to lockdown. I did a shed load of gardening because, as you can see, there's a lot to do here, and decided to lose a bit of weight. So it's kind of good for me. While everybody else was gaining weight, I've been out there losing it and feeling much better for it. But anyway, why do you want to hear about me? Let's look at the car. The car's much more interesting. So 1973 Ford Gran Torino. Now, we sold this car last year. We found her in America and she was your typical little old lady owner type car. 3 owners from new. We believe the mileage was right at 35,000 miles because the car was just so good. She got the original Magnum alloys on there, which were an option when the car was new. She's fitted with the 302 cubic inch V8 with the twin Venturi intakes and 2-barrel carb on there. She drives out of this world. This car drives like it's just come out of the box. Now, the best thing about it is Chris has had the car for nearly a year, and he's just gone through it, and all he's done is just all the little subtle things, the cleaning and the finishing off, and he's just made the car right. He's just done such a great job, and now he just wants to go on and do a Project Mustang street racer. So that's his next project, hence selling the car. So we're going to have a look around the car, have a look at the general condition, but I can assure you this is as good as it gets. It really is. And the 73 is slightly different to the 72, which had the larger grille, a bit like the movie Gran Torino with Clint Eastwood, and obviously you have the 71, which has the flat front, which is pretty much our logo car in the same colour. And of course then the next year up you've got the 76 car, which is of course is the Starsky and Hutch car. But this is the 73. I love the front end on this car. I think it looks really good. It's got some style on there. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. Let's go and have a good old look around the car and check her out. So here we are, 1973 Gran Torino. Like I said, I mean, this car's the mutts. It really is. And like I said, Chris has gone round it. You wait until you see some of the stuff that he's done. It's just really finished the car off. Front wing here, absolutely perfect, as you can see there. And the front wheel there, again, spot on. Coming down the passenger side, mirrors are all lovely. Look at the shine on that, look. And then we've got the stripe coming up over the rear quarter there. Like I say, this car is rear wheel there. And round the back of the car. You know, why would you spend 50 grand on a restored Mustang when you can have something like this at a fraction of the cost? There's no comparison. I love the chrome rear bumper on this car as well, because it just adds that little bit of style. It became a huge rear bumper on the later one, as I had a Starsky and Hutch car. We've got a couple of little touch-ups on the door here. I will point those out to you, just little ones. They've just been touched in, but not been messed with. And the bonnet's lovely. Front wing here, again the wheel. I mean, you can see how good this car is. Round the front of the car, all the chrome work is lovely. The grille. Now, we've got some polishing marks on here. So we've got a little bit of a touch-up that's been done on the bonnet here, and it's been mopped and polished. And we've just got a little bit of polish through here, but it's just the lacquer. That's all it is, it's just the lacquer. But like I say, the paintwork on this car is so good. I mean, you can see the sun reflecting and shining off it. Look at that. Anyway, let's have a look inside. So here we are. Now, Chris has put the Grant sports steering wheel on here, and it just fits the car perfectly. It really does. Got the radar detector up there, which still works. He even managed to get that working. But I mean, look at the dash, look. 34,501 miles. And he's taken the radio out of there. seat's lovely. There was one little mark just here which he's put a patch on, which is fine, that's all good. You can see that on there. The carpets and everything are lovely. I can show you under there, look. Driver's door card. I'll show you the headlining. Look at that. Now, another addition that Chris has put in from when we owned the car last time, he's put the seatbelts in here. So we've got the proper seatbelts finished in green. Those were not cheap, but they are correct for the car, which is important. Seeing the door shuts and everything. I'll open the bonnet as well while we're here. And we'll come around and have a look in the passenger side. Like I say, this is just stunning, this car. So the one thing you must do on here is to move the emblem out the way. So this just slides out the way like so, and then you can put the key in. There we are inside the trunk. And it's lovely in here, look at that. There's the trunk lid. Sticker's still there from last time, showing the spare wheel and how to jack the car up. All the original sticker. Spare wheel in there. And I mean the floor under here is, I can see it's perfect. Then we'll come round and have a look under the bonnet at that fabulous V8 engine. Look at that. New brake master cylinder and wiper motor unit. Like I say, this is where Chris has spent the time, because this is just beautiful. You know, this is how this engine looked when it left the factory. It's just beautiful. He's even managed to find the new insulation for the underneath of the hood. Right, so let's start her up. Let's see what she sounds like. Now obviously the choke's on, you can hear that. The revs are just increasing. Right, let's go to hear it at the important end, the exhaust pipes. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1973 Ford Gran Torino. Should you have any more questions, please give us a call. My name is Stuart. Follow us on YouTube. Check out our Instagram, where we put all the cars on Instagram as soon as they're arriving, or whenever we buy them in America. We try and get the pictures on there to try and get them uploaded. Follow our website, www.carrotttowngarage.co.uk. We've also got merchandise, as you can see. Got to have a bit of a plug there. We have a car club as well that runs alongside things. So the idea is that you're not just buying a car and then going away. You buy the car, we make sure it's right, we then service it, we'll maintain it for you, and then when you come to sell it, we'll sell it for you or buy it back from you, exactly as happened here with Chris. We do stand by the cars that we sell, and that's the principle of our business. And the whole thing at the end of the day is it's fun. The point of owning this stuff is having fun with it. You know, you're only here once, may as well go for it and enjoy life, as it were. So anyway, like I say, follow us on Instagram, YouTube and our Facebook page, and check out our blog on our website. Thanks ever so much for watching, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye bye.